Hi, my name is Zakoe, and today I'm going to reveal this car. Before we talk about anything else, let's pull the cover. Whoa, that's cool. Introducing this stunning wide-body McLaren 720S, showcasing the finest in bespoke automotive customization. This work of art includes fully customized interior and exterior with matching blue carbon accents and professionally installed Zakoe performance wide body package. This car got a new front lift. We made a special blue carbon, as well as new carbon hood. Attention to details. Look at these two stripes. These are hood stripes with ghosted logos. We have new fenders with blue carbon accents. And the 24 number for my birthday. And these are carbon extended side skirts. And these are rear fenders. And this is a blue carbon rear mounted wing. Rear diffuser. Here we have a FI exhaust with a 765 style. Rift suspension. And before, the blue carbon aero disc wheels. And we also painted this caliper. Now let's check the interior. It's been customized. It's so cool inside here. The seat, panel, and details are all wrapped in rich blue that feels fresh and modern. Every stitch is neat. It's the kind of interior you can't stop looking at. Oh, remember the stripes on the hood I was telling you about? By the way, it's a spider. It looks even cooler. Should we hear the sound? If you want this unique car to be yours, then please send us an email. And for more information, go to our website, creativebespoke.com. Thank you for watching.